Why did you burp on me?
Because it's good to burp on you.
No, we don't burp on people.
No, I need to burp on you, okay? I'll turn that thing off before I
No,
smack you.
stop. Owen, you don't, but burping people is not okay.
It is.
Nope, it's not okay.
Yes, it is.
We don't burp on people.
Of course we do.
I'm gonna go to your room.
Hey, you. Let go. Let go.
Owen, stop.
Yeah.
You need to stop. Hey, don't hit me.